Beloved, as I said here, I was just meditating on the goodness and the greatness of our God and how good He really has been to us. As a child of God, many times we complain so much that we forget about the goodness and the greatness of our God. The Word of God tells us in Psalms 66, and the very first, reading from the very first verse. Here it is, dearly beloved. Make a joyful noise or a joyful shout unto God, all ye lands. Sing forth the honor of His name. Make His praise glorious. Say unto God, how terrible or how awesome art thy works. Through the greatness of thy power shall thine enemies submit themselves unto thee. All the earth shall worship thee and shall sing unto thee. They shall sing to thy name. Selah. Glory be to the living God. Dearly beloved, we serve such a magnificent God. Look how He designed us as human beings. Look how He took us from the miry clay and set our feet upon a solid ground. Look how God constructed your life, how He has blessed your life, how He has taken you out of very difficult, trying times and brought you to the other side. Even if we look back just this past week, we have to recognize and say how awesome our God is. He brought me through another week. He has set me where He wants me to be. And I know that all things are working together for my good. So, dearly beloved, I can stand there, you can stand there with the psalm writer and says, I will make a joyful noise unto the Lord, because I don't know anyone who could have been as good to me, even myself, that would have blessed me the way I've been blessed. You are a blessed individual because you have chosen the Lord God who first chose you. Now you are a child of the living God. And dearly beloved, no matter how difficult things are in your life, one thing you can recognize is this, that your God was there in every instances in your life. Amen? Every time something seemed like it was going to fall apart, glory be to the living God. God saw you through. You didn't see yourself through. You didn't make it on your own. You made it because you've got a Father who cares, loves you, and is concerned about meeting every need in your life. The greatest insurance policy that you and I will ever have, and that will never fail us, is putting our trust in a God that cannot fail. Beloved, trust Him. Continue to develop a sure relationship with Him. And there will always be a quaking and emerging from you, from within you, to bring forth a joyful noise unto the Lord. How gracious and loving He is, for He is an awesome God, and we cannot do without Him. Dearly beloved, rejoice in the Lord today. Bless the name of the Lord. Allow Him to use you in a very powerful way, because He is the only source that you and I have that we can fully depend upon. Beloved, be blessed in the Lord. as you walk into the end of this week. Be blessed in Jesus' name.